Creating a WhatsApp link is an incredibly useful feature that enables you to easily share your contact information. This link can be sent to someone directly or added to your social media profiles, allowing others to initiate a conversation with you with a single click. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of creating a WhatsApp link. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. WhatsApp link allows users to start messaging you instantly by clicking the link. It is especially handy for businesses or individuals who want to simplify communication. Unfortunately, WhatsApp itself doesn't offer a built-in feature to generate these links, but you can create one manually with ease. You can use any application that allows you to type text, such as notes on your phone, a word processor, or even directly within WhatsApp if a chat is available. Begin by writing https://wa.me/. Don't worry, this is WhatsApp's URL. After the URL, include your phone number in the correct international format, dropping the leading 0. Also, do not include any symbols such as plus, dash, or spaces. Ensure your phone number includes the international dialing code. Example: if you are in Ireland and your phone number is 087123 for 567, you would type it like this. Once you've written the link, you can click on it to test it. WhatsApp will open and a chat window will appear, indicating that the link works correctly. Now that you've created your link, you can share it easily. Copy and paste the link into a social media profile, website, or send it directly to someone. When clicked, the link will initiate a chat with you instantly. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.